These are the strangest houses in the world. Some of them break every rule of design, others look like something out of a glitch in the simulation, and once you see them, you'll never look at normal architecture the same again. You know when you try to build something cool in Minecraft and it just ends up cursed? Yeah, that's this. But in real life. And someone said, "Perfect, I'll take it." Some houses are built for comfort. This one was built to make you say, "What the hell am I looking at?" And that's the whole point. This is what happens when architects get bored and rich people say yes to literally anything. It's weird, it's wild, and honestly, it's kind of brilliant. Every part of this place is confusing in the best possible way. It's like it was designed to be a puzzle, not a house. There's probably a bedroom inside that looks like a spaceship and a kitchen with no right angles. Most houses are built for comfort. This one looks like it was built to start arguments. Every part of it feels like an unnecessary choice, and that's exactly why it works.